very talented guitarist. His name is Claudio Quartarone, and you are going to enjoy his music today. But the idea of the program is just not to offer a concert, but to offer possibility of work with musicians from other countries, and in this case Kenya. And that's why today you see on the stage a band. And I also want to call Claudio and McKinley.
Like a perfect way to spend the Thursday evening, you know.
Yeah.
And everyone was feeling it in their soul, like the drummers, the
I mean,
drama.
you can see everyone just feeling it. It was a mutual feeling between everyone.
Yeah.
Ottimo lavoro, continua così.
I mean, I really enjoyed the concert. It was my first concert in Nairobi, and so I just moved here. So yeah, I was really amazed to see like all these great artists coming together from Kenya, from Italy, and just like coming out with something so amazing. So yeah, good job, really.
Hi, Claudio Quartarone here. It's been an amazing experience, and I had a really great time here in Nairobi. I met some incredible musicians. The scene is, really fire here. So I wanna thank you. I wanna say thank you to every musicians who support me. And yeah, we had a great session right now, and I'm really happy to be here and that I had this amazing experience.
Hi, this is McKinley. I'm a collaborating artist with Claudio, who was here for the Residenza with the Italian Institute. One of the many fantastic musicians we have from Italy who come here for the same project. Amazing 3 weeks of creative music. We've played 2 concerts in him. One Brevel Theatre, as you can see, and the other one at the Salvatore of Music. It's been a very, very enriching experience, thanks to the Italian Institute culture, so making this happen and for keeping the work going with all the artists. He's been here for Italy. Share.